everyone, I'm Raven Cruz and I'll be your tour guide for today. First of all, let me welcome you to Bikini, Townsville. Bikini, Townsville is just a small town, so our tour will just be very short. Our first stop is our town hall. Our town hall is the one that is responsible for controlling the town, or they are the ones who have the authority with the activities that is done around here. The town hall is just like the nucleus, because the nucleus is responsible for controlling the cellular activities inside the cell, just like the town hall. As you can see, the town is also enclosed with a gate to separate the hall from other establishment, just like the nuclear membrane that enclose the nucleus to separate the chromosomes from the rest of the cells.
Now ride on the right side of the road and follow all traffic signs.
The end.
This road will lead or take us to our next destination, which is the shipping factory warehouse. I want to tell you something about the road. The road is like the endoplasmic reticulum that transports the materials needed by the cell.
One eternity later.
We have arrived at our second stop, which is the shipping factory warehouse. In this warehouse, workers process and pack items or parcels that would be sent to the establishments around town, just like the Golgi apparatus that receives proteins and fats from the rough ER to process and pack into sealed droplets called vesicles and would then be distributed to other parts of the cell. Since we already went to two places, a little break wouldn't hurt, right? So here we are at the Krusty Krab.
I'll have a Krabby Patty.
How original.
And with extra onions.
Daring today, aren't we? One Krabby Patty, extra onions.
One crying Johnny coming up. First bun, then patty, followed by ketchup, mustard, pickles, extra onions, lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, and bun, in that order. One crying Johnny.
Krusty Krab is famous for its Krabby Patties that have proteins that are given to their customers for them to consume, just like ribosomes that create protein for the cell. While we're having our snacks, I would like you to meet three important people here in our town.
Blossom, Bubbles, and Buttercup have dedicated their lives to fighting crime and the forces of evil.
The Powerpuff Girls. These three supergirls are the ones in charge to fight and remove unwanted or foreign enemies around town, just like the lysosome that perform autolysis of unwanted organelles within the cytoplasm. I bet you're wondering, where did the Krusty Krab get their electricity from? The electricity of the Krusty Krab and all the other establishments here in our town get their electricity from the electric poles that surrounds the town. Those electric poles generate powers throughout the town, just like the mitochondria to the cell that gives out energy, and it also earned the title powerhouse of the cell. For our last stop, we'll be going to the supermarket. The town supermarket stores various of foods that consist of nutrients. They also throw away products that have already expired and will already be harmful to the people, just like the vacuole that stores essential materials in a cell and disposes of poisonous or harmful waste. That's our last stop for our tour, and we'll already be going home. We'll go through the big gate of the city that has the authority to control who can come in and out of the town, just like the cell membrane of the nucleus that controls what goes in and out of the cell. So that's the end of our tour. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from our tour, and I'll be happy to see you visit Bikini, Townsville again. Thank you and goodbye.